Do you love running? If yes, you should continue watching this video until the end, because today we will talk about what happens if you go on a 30-minute run every day. Running is one of those exercises that has universal appeal. Gym lovers can enjoy an indoor treadmill workout away from the elements, while lovers of the great outdoors can pound the pavements or explore countryside trails. Plus, you don't need to run for hours on end to see and feel the benefits. Just 30 minutes of running can have positive effects on your physical and mental well-being. Run every day for 30 minutes and this happens to your body. Number 1. Better heart health. Stroke, cardiovascular disease, metabolic syndrome, diabetes. Minimize your risk with a half-hour gym session and keep your heart and blood flow happy. Enjoying the video so far? Show some support and hit that like button. Number 2. Weight loss. Yep, even half an hour of exercise per day can help you to prevent excess weight gain or maintain weight loss. Stick to high-intensity sessions to burn more calories. If you're struggling for time, get more activity in your day-to-day duties. Example, taking the stairs or walking to work. Number 3. Reduce stress. Exercise increases the amount of norepinephrine in your body, the chemical that can moderate our brain's response to stress and stressful situations. If you've had a tough day, go ahead and get sweaty. A quick workout can reduce stress as well as boost your ability to deal with existing mental tension. Number 4. Better mood. That hatred you can have for your running shoes? Put it to good use in a quick HIIT session. Physical activity stimulates chemicals in your brain to leave you feeling happier and more relaxed. Plus, who doesn't enjoy the post-exercise endorphin rush? Number 5. Energy burst. When your energy levels are at zero, it can be tempting to skip the gym in favor of Netflix. But that half hour of exercise can give you the boost you're looking for. Delivering oxygen and nutrients to your muscle tissues while helping your cardiovascular system to work more efficiently. Exercise will give your body the shake-up it needs to continue working effectively. Number 6. Improved memory. If you're looking to boost your powers of recollection, take a half-hour trek around the neighborhood. Exercise increases the production of cells in the hippocampus responsible for memory and learning. Number 7. Increased productivity. Ever feel like your afternoon coffee break just doesn't cut it? Taking a half-hour walk during your lunch break could be the difference between a 2 p.m. slump and a productive afternoon. Research shows that workers who take time away from their desks to get moving are more productive than their sedentary coworkers. Number 8. Makes you creative. Writer's block can't be avoided by staring extra hard into your laptop screen. So get away from the computer for a half-hour exercise session instead. Refreshing and recharging with some outdoor exercise could be your ticket to creative heaven. Number 9. Improved self-confidence. We all have days where we feel less than average. Half an hour of exercise could be the difference between a self-pity sob session and a well-deserved hit of self-confidence. So get sweaty. Your body will thank you in the long run. What happens during your 30-minute run? Number 1. The first few minutes. For some people, the first 5 minutes of a jog or run are the hardest, and early fatigue is quite common. Your body uses adenosine triphosphate or ATP energy molecules to power itself forward, which it gains from the food you've eaten. Your body only keeps small supplies of these, so it starts searching for extra supplies. Pretty quickly, it will begin breaking down glycogen from your muscles and blood for more energy using anaerobic glycolysis. You'll be engaging several muscles around your body, particularly around your core, glutes, and legs. Number 2. 5 to 10 minutes in. Running requires a considerable amount of energy in relation to other sports. As you get running, your heart will beat faster to move the blood around your body quicker and your body temperature will start to rise, with your sweat glands kicking in to keep you cool. After a few minutes, your body will switch to aerobic glycolysis, which means you'll start using more oxygen to convert fat and glycogen into energy. Your body could need up to 15 times more energy when you're exercising, so your breathing will start to speed up. If you're not used to regular exercise, you may start to feel an oxygen debt during this process, as your body works to deliver the right amount of energy around your body. In other words, you could start to feel pretty out of breath. Number 3. The rest of your run. Your body should start to get used to the energy-converting processes it's working hard to perform. For many people, this is when you settle into a stride with your body feeling strong. However, if you're new to running, your body may need more oxygen than you can easily provide, creating a substance called lactate, which can convert to energy without using oxygen. You'll probably know lactate by its other name, lactic acid, which is the cause of the burning sensation you might start to feel in your muscles, as well as cramps, nausea, and any general feelings of weakness and tiredness. That's because the lactic acid begins to build up in your bloodstream faster than you're able to burn it off. It's your body trying to tell you to stop. The best way to beat this is to pace yourself, starting slow and building up speed and distance gradually over several runs to boost your lactate threshold and boost your endurance. Just don't push yourself too hard straight away. Your body will get there with practice. Number 4, the end of your run. As your run slows down back to a walk, you'll hopefully keep moving to enable your muscles to cool back down, reducing your risk of injury. As you do, your breathing will gently return to normal and your face flush will start to ease. Your body should be providing you with mood-boosting dopamine hormones, which, along with the endorphin and serotonin chemical messages are given off as you run, will lead to what's commonly known as runner's high, a feeling of euphoria and reduced anxiety. It is a good idea to include a warm-up before you run and a cool-down after, and go at a pace that feels comfortable for you. Should you run every day? Running every day may have some health benefits. Studies show that running each day at a moderate pace may help reduce the risk of death from heart attacks, strokes, and other common diseases. But the same research also shows that these benefits top off at 4.5 hours a week, meaning there's no need to run for hours each day. Running is a high-impact exercise, and overtraining can lead to injuries such as stress fractures and shin splints. How many days it's safe for you to run each week depends on your goals and physical fitness levels. Scheduling days for cross-training, strength training, and rest should be part of your training plan. They may make you a stronger and healthier runner overall. How to run every day. Number 1. Supplies. The only items you need to start running every day include a pair or two of running shoes and socks. You may want to alternate between 2 pairs of shoes in case one gets wet or muddy. You'll also need sweat-resistant running clothes like shorts and t-shirts. If you run at night or in the early morning, get a reflective vest or light for safety. Number 2. Weekly plan. How often you run each week should depend on your goals and physical fitness level. For example, if you're a beginner, you don't need to start out running every day because you're at a higher risk of burnout or injury. Instead, start by running every other day for 20 to 30 minutes. If you're an experienced runner and plan to run every day, it's important to schedule your weekly training with plenty of variety. For example, one day a week, you could do a long run at your goal race pace. You could spend another day on speed work. 1 to 2 days could be short recovery runs. The other days can be spent doing a hill workout where you run up an incline repetitively to build up strength in your legs. You can also run or jog in a pool for an active recovery. Number 3. Stretching. You don't always need to stretch before you run. You can walk for the first few minutes or jog at a slower pace to warm up your muscles. After you run, always stretch out. Do you think you can run for 30 minutes every day? Let us know by leaving a comment below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. For more interesting facts on the human body, subscribe to the channel. Here are 2 more videos you should check out. Both of them will definitely help you reach your goals.